Assalamualaikum students, it's Neelam Nair here. Welcome to the Google online class. It's grammar lesson and we will learn present perfect tense. We will learn how to form a present perfect and when to use a present perfect. It's good to know how we use auxiliary verb has and have in present perfect. We use have with I, you in singular pronoun, and we use has with he, she, it, and we use has with singular noun. It means in two cases we use have with singular pronoun. Now we will see the plural cases of pronoun. We use have with we, you, they, and with plural nouns. Let's see the examples. In a singular noun, we use Ali has finished the lunch, and the singular pronoun I. The example is I have painted the door yellow. In plural pronouns and nouns, we just use have. They have paid dinner themselves. Students have completed their work. In English language, we use irregular and regular verbs. Now we will see whether there is any difference while converting sentences into present perfect when verbs are regular or irregular. No, there is no difference. We use has, have plus past participle verb. Example, you have listened carefully. I have worked there. In irregular, we are using the same rule. We have torn our pages. The rule is we use has, have plus past participle verb. In regular verbs, we do three things. In first case, we are using ed with verb while converting into present perfect. But when the verb ends in e, we convert into past participle verb by adding just d. Here we have three examples: live, close, wipe. We just add d. I haven't lived here for quite some time. When the verbs end in y is converted into I and we add ied. Here we have three examples: spy, study, cry, and we are converting them into ied. We have studied hard. He has spied on his neighbors. When we use present perfect in interrogative sentences, the same rule applies. We just put has and have in the beginning of the sentence. Look at the example. Has she talked to him? We are using the past participle verb. We are using the has. We just put has in front of the sentence and we put question mark at the end. The same rule will apply with irregular verb. When we use present perfect in negation, we use not between has and verb. For example, I haven't listened to the news. It hasn't rained since Friday. In irregular verb, she hasn't quit the Job. Now we will see what are the situations when we use present perfect. We use present perfect for things that happened in the past. It's not important when they happened in the past. They give the sense of completion in the present. For example, I have been to Scotland. We also use present perfect when things started in the past but continued in the present. For example, Ali and Ahsan have known each other. They have lived there since 2011. The words which are commonly used in present perfect are for, yet, never, ever, just, already, since. Examples: I have lived here for 3 years. We haven't seen that film yet. They have never visited Europe. Have you ever watched a football match? The students have just started their work. People have already gone to the protest. Aslam has worked in this factory since 1998. I hope this video will help you in learning the concept of present perfect. Take care. Allah Hafiz.